of the hands of Rama through timely intervention when her husband King Xerxes. She carries a scepter, Danica Imperial. Reina Justicia, Queen of Justice, carries a weighty scale. She is the personification of the title Mirror of Justice. Her attributes are a scale of justice and a sword. She is Reina Camille.
We have Reina del Rosario next, Queen of the Most Holy Rosary. Now she carries a large rosary with her, symbolic of Catholics' devotion to Mary, and is represented today by Dasha and Kinga. Reina de la Paz, also known as the Queen of Peace, she will be carrying a dove, symbol of world peace or the Holy Spirit, and today here in Burgundy represented by Eden Marie Bustamante. And Reina de los Profetas, or the Queen of